Welcome to this Hear Me Now how-to video.
Let's start adding some content. Using the plus icon, we're shown the 5 content types. To start with, we'll add a picture. As we don't have any boxes yet, first we need to create a box, so we'll select New Box. We need to give it a name, so for this I'm going to create a box about my family, which I'll call My Family. To help identify the box, we have the option to add an image. We could take a photo, but in this case we'll choose one from the device. We then save the box. As we selected picture as the type of content we wanted to add, we now decide if we choose an existing picture or take one with the camera. We'll choose an existing picture of when we went to London. We'll choose a picture of Big Ben. As we selected picture as the type of content we wanted to add, we now decide if we want to choose an existing picture or take a new one with the camera. We'll choose an existing picture of when we went to London. We'll choose the picture of Big Ben. We can add a description, so I'll add some text about Big Ben. We went for a walk past Big Ben. Then click Save. As you can see, we've now added a picture of Big Ben to the My Family box, and we also have a description of the picture. Let's create a second box about my new speech therapy exercises. As before, we'll use the plus icon in the bottom corner. We're then going to add a link to a YouTube video that my speech therapist gave me. As this is a new box, we'll use New Box. I'm going to call this my speech therapy exercises. As before, we're going to choose a picture, and I'm going to browse to this picture of a mouth, and that's the new box created, so I'll do Save New Box. My speech therapist gave me a link to a YouTube video. We can take a link from YouTube and add it to this box. I then don't have to search around on YouTube to find it. I can just link to it every time I do my exercises. I'll paste the link in here and I'll give it a description. And then save. As we can see, we've now moved to the speech therapy box, and if I click on the link, it will open YouTube and we can see the video being played. We'll now show you how content in the app can be edited. We're back on the start screen, but if we go into one of the boxes, I'll select My Family. You can see I've added some extra pictures in here. If we select the pen icon on the right hand side, each one of these is now selected, and that gives us some additional options. If we then select one, we have some additional controls to move the content up and down. This might be useful if the content order needs to be updated to a particular sequence. I'll move this picture of St. Paul's up one position. If we then select the icon again, we now have some options to change the picture and to change the text, but we're happy with this as it is, so I'll click Save. If we press the pen again, we come out of edit mode. One final aspect of box content we want to mention is the text-to-speech option. If you press the grey speaker icon, the device will talk the text back to you. Unfortunately, this feature doesn't function on the software I'm using for this demo, so I can't play the sound back, but all current devices running Android or iOS should be supported.
That concludes this quick Hear Me Now how-to video, and we thank you for your interest. For more information, visit hearmenowapp.com or email support@hearmenowapp.com. We look forward to hearing from you.